Are you tired of struggling to make sales in the competitive world of print on demand? Well, get ready to transform your business and skyrocket your profits. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to dominate your market and leave your competitors in the dust. Get ready to discover the ultimate strategies that will take your print on demand business to new heights.
All right, so the first niche is going to be funny Joe Biden shirts. Okay, so instead of Happy 4th of July or Happy Independence Day, it's Happy Halloween. It seems like he gets a lot of things wrong. So what they're doing is making a funny t-shirt of him saying Happy Halloween. Okay, but it really means Happy 4th of July, Happy Independence Day, Happy Birthday, America. That's the pun off of this. And you can see what they're doing. Simple text-based, Happy Halloween, American flag bandana, American glasses, American flag in the background. Okay. And if we go down right here, we check out the BSR. You can see it made its first sell at $13.07. So they put this one at cost $471 BSR, and it made it first sell $624 of last year, $22.2. And then you're going to see that it is starting to crank more than ever right now. So it's been up probably about a year on the platform, which is really cool because as a print on demand seller, it's amazing to actually have a product that you put up over a year ago and then bam, it's selling like crazy. 500K BSR, and it's cranking in those reviews. Next niche is going to be funny hot dogs for 4th of July. Just here for the wieners. Okay, so if you can think of any funny pun type of sayings for 4th of July, now's the time to do it. This is the #1 bestseller right now. And girls novelty t-shirts. Okay, and it's sold 300 in the past week. I'm not sure if you guys are noticing that, but Amazon's starting to show this a little bit more on the listing, which is really, really cool. Now you got a hot dog holding the American flag, right? And you're going to see the colors that it's a very simple t-shirt design, right? Really cool. But you see it's made its first sell this year, okay, about a week ago exactly. But look at it. It's cranking, making sales, right? Uploaded June 12th, okay, within this month, and it's already a bestseller in the niche. Pretty freaking amazing, right? That's awesome. All right, next one too. So same exact. So it's not 4th of July until my wiener comes out. Okay, so 4th of July, right? Targeting 4th of July. Now it has the saying in there. It doesn't have the American color flag. The American color in there, but it just simple text, white base with the hot dog with mustard on it. It's made its first sale this month, 607, right? 2023, and then it's cranking, making sales. Uploaded May of 31st, 2023, and then 63K BSR. Pretty cool, right? Something like this I can see being an evergreen design too. Okay, I can see it selling all year long because it really doesn't say nothing about 4th of July compared to something like this one. It says 4th of July in there. This one, I can see it's all year long, just here for the wieners. It's not the 4th of July until my wiener comes out. And you're going to see it has that hat on, and it looks like it has ketchup and mustard. If you go back to this one only has mustard. But what about the people that like ketchup and mustard and relish on their hot dogs? So some think, well, even bacon wrap, right? Get something right there. There's a little gap right there that can obviously be filled for that audience, right? Because there's people out there that like bacon wrap hot dogs and jalapenos, and I know certain people are going to say, no, it doesn't belong on a hot dog, but there's an audience for it, right? Made its first sale 6/11/2023, and it's consistently making sales. You can see the demand for this as we get closer and closer to the holiday. This was uploaded this month, and it's at a 60K BSR. It's crazy because then what's going to happen next year? Some of the designs that we look for as, every single year, like something like this happens, you make an extra $500 to $1,000 that month just based off of one design, right? The power of print on demand.
In all of the research I've done in this video, I used Merch Informer. So the link is going to be down below in the description with my coupon code. So go ahead and check that out.
Now, next is funny couple designs. Okay, so I like how he bangs and then fireworks, right? You can see what they're doing here. 4th of July funny couple women t-shirt. Okay, this is a perfect example of a person buying not one but 2 t-shirts at a time, which you can obviously increase your daily profits by doing that. And you can see the red, white, and blue, right? And then you got a bottle rocket with the firework, right? So it's a funny t-shirt, right? But think about it as couples are going to be buying this shirt. So there's going to be 2 people buying this shirt. So think about it that way. And then we come over here to all-time sales. You can see that it was uploaded or made its first sale towards the end of May, the 31st. And then now it's cranking. So I'm pretty sure this is being shared all over the internet. If you probably go on Instagram, you can probably research this and find this. You'll probably see someone wearing this for 4th of July. Any 4th of July event. 54K BSR. It was uploaded April 11th. Very powerful. You can see the demand. You can look over here too. Look, there's also his sparkler. She's my firecracker. on his firecracker. You see that? You get what I'm saying? There's some stuff right here. There's some different sayings in here that can be used on, different ideas to get inspiration from. So I like how he bangs. I like how she explodes. You can see, what they're doing here and what they're putting together. These shirts can be bought in twos. So if you come down here, first sell May 19th, right? And then boom, the BSR starts to drop and it turns into a consistent selling product every single day, right? That's freaking crazy. First uploaded March 30th, 2023, and it's at 52K BSR. Loves Jesus and America too. Retro Love Jesus and America too. God Christian 4th of July t-shirt. Red, white, and then blue. See that? See how they did that there? But this is something right here. This can be like an evergreen t-shirt too as well. Okay, it can be selling all year long because it doesn't include like 4th of July. So if we come down, simple text base, right? That's another thing too, just to point out, simple text base. If you can think of something like that, it can turn into a top seller, and it's nothing too crazy, nothing, right? Nothing that normal individual cannot go learn on the internet within that day. Go on YouTube and learn how to create a simple text-based design t-shirt. And with that being said, I got a little link up here for you to check out. So make sure you guys check out that video right there. It will show you how to scale out certain designs. First sale, June 10th, 2023, which was this month. And then as you go down, you're going to see it's just turning into we're getting 50K, 46K, 41, and there's a demand for this actual product, right? This t-shirt, there's a demand for it. 36K BSR. Loves Jesus and America too. You're seeing what they're doing on the different dark colored t-shirts over here that started making sales this month, uploaded this month, making sales, and it's a consistent selling design on Amazon. Next one, tacos, sunglasses, American flag, USA, 4th of July. Okay, looking at the keywords here, but look at this illustration. Clean, amazing. I can see something like this with the AI, like Midjourney, creating something like this, an awesome t-shirt design. Holding the flag, taco. Remember, there's different types of tacos too. If there's a way you can make that appearance, you can do like a different type of taco. Birria tacos, that's a really popular type of taco right now. That's a new niche idea too, if you're not unaware of that niche. But on a white t-shirt, lighter colors, looking good on a lighter color. You can see it looks really good on that white t-shirt too. Okay, 100 sold in the past week, 100 plus. Okay, let's look at the all-time. It's made a first sale this year, May 31st, and you can see that it's selling, and then boom, as we get closer and closer to 4th of July, it turns into a top seller. And they did that pricing strategy of $13.99 and then put it up to $14.99, so they're starting to make profits on this, and this BSR is at 33K. First uploaded 26th of 2023. Not only that too, keep in mind, tacos, burgers, hot dogs, California burrito, right? It's like thinking of popular foods and combining that with the United States of America. Think about that. Corn dog, there's so much that can be done here. Just think about it though. You know what I mean? Understand what's going on right here and why people are buying it like crazy, and then put 2 and 2 together and bam. Now, this design right here, dad, grandpa, great grandpa, I just keep getting better. Retro dad, Father's Day. Okay, now 500 plus sold in the past week, but look at the simple text-based design. Nothing crazy at all. But if you look at the all-time sales, all-time with the BSR chart, it sold 531. But then, obviously it got closer to Father's Day. It kind of trended all the way down. But this right here, this is an example of taking advantage of a holiday, a trend, and then applying this to it. And then this right here design is going to turn into an evergreen design. I don't want to say I guarantee it, but go back 2 months or 3 months from now, this is still going to be selling. It's more of a general type of saying on a t-shirt, which is really cool and it makes a lot of sense. And you can see people buying this design throughout the whole year. Okay, just to have an understanding of what people want on a t-shirt over the years of me doing research. That's just what it is. If we come down right here, uploaded this year, May 28th, 2023, and the BSR is at 50K, which is really cool. Amarasaurus Rex. Caution, dad jokes ahead. Dabbing hot dog. But yeah, this is cool. This is really awesome.
And if you want to learn how to use one of the best research tools on the market, watch this video right here.